Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to our subscribers so far. Thank you so much for being here with us and coming back every time we upload a new video. It means a lot to us to see you coming back with each new video. While we're talking about subscribers, if you've yet to subscribe, please do us a favor and just hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you get notified when a new video goes live, because you're not going to want to miss the video we put out after we hit 1,000 subscribers. There's actually two main reasons for that. One, we are going to be giving away a Bad Boys Cycles custom seat to one of the 1,000th subscribers. Total random drawing. It could be you. It's a $900 value. You're not going to want to miss that. These seats are incredible. We've done a couple videos on those. If you want to go check them out, they're in the videos tab on our channel. And reason number two, we are going to be stripping this 114 big bore out and replacing it with a 124 big bore kit to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. And after we do the step-by-step install on taking the 114 jugs out, because originally this 2018 Road Glide was a 107 from the factory, and then it got the Screaming Eagle 114 big bore kit. Meh. I mean, it's decent, but it could be a lot better. It's putting out decent numbers. It's ready for something bigger. So we're going to do the 124 swap. We're going to, like I said, we're going to take the 114 jugs out and we're going to do the 124 big bore. It's already been built up to handle that higher big bore application. So, like I said, if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because not only will you be able to see the before and after on the dyno, matching current numbers to what the numbers are after we swap it out to the 124 big bore, but you'll also be entered to win yourself a Bad Boys seat. Straight from Bad Boy Cycles, provided by us. That's on the agenda, guys, for the two main things coming up for the channel. Once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, two big things coming your way from us. Just finishing up buttoning this all up. If you haven't seen the video for the install on the Soundstream Reserve, you're going to want to check that out. And you're probably wondering, why the hell is his speakers all exposed like that? That's because I got a couple pair of speakers on the way. And we'll do an install video on those too, because these stock speaks, those things gotta go. They gotta go. They gots to go. All right, guys. So, yep, I just wanted to give you a quick update, little FYI on what we're up to over here and what the plan is to celebrate the 1,000 subscribers, which will be coming up soon. Again, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when we either go live or when a new video goes up. One more thing, if you haven't checked out the video we just put up today on the clear anodized gold transmission cover with the new Recluse Slave cylinder, you're gonna wanna go check that out. You can find that right here or right here. Somewhere along this top, it'll be up there. So go check out that video. It's the second video of that series of the clear covers from Nice CNC. Honestly, they've been great as far as the machining quality and the longevity so far. They're holding up really well. There's no issues. Well, I can't say for the transmission side yet because we literally just got that put on, but for the Derby cover, it's holding up flawlessly and there's no issues whatsoever with it. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys individually and as our group, as a community, as a whole. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys that come back every week and watch the videos and comment and interact and ask for pointers. I mean, I love being able to teach people on how to do things and be independent and be able to do this stuff for themselves in their garage. So, I don't know. Just something I enjoy doing. My garage is a complete disaster zone right now. It needs to be fucking cleaned. But yeah, guys, like I said, we really do appreciate every single one of you. And we do want to give back. So that's why we're going to be doing that giveaway for the Bad Boys custom seat. And shout out to Bad Boy Cycles. They're great people over there, man. Elias and George, small family-run shop of seat builders, and they do other stuff too. They do like bag guards, like crash guards. God, they do a bunch of stuff. So if you haven't yet checked out Bad Boy Cycles, give them a check out. I'll put them in the description if you want to check them out, but I highly suggest you do. They put out fantastic products, and it's not going to break the bank. So again, guys, get entered to win for your very own Bad Boys custom seat. All you got to do is subscribe, and that's it. I mean, it's literally the easiest giveaway you'll ever enter. So, but yeah, I had something else I wanted to touch down on, but I don't really remember now. So yeah, just a couple good things coming up here soon, guys, that you're not going to want to miss. 124 swap from the 114. We'll do a step-by-step install on that. We'll throw this baby on the dyno with the Thunder Max tuner in there, so you guys can see the before and after results on those numbers that it's putting out. And then again, the Bad Boy Cycles seat giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers, which is coming up really quick. At this rate, we'll probably be there in a month or two. So if you haven't yet, go check out some of our latest videos that we put out in the last week. I'd appreciate it. And as always, guys, much love to you all. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.
I came from the mud. There's